Imagine a boy barely old enough to understand the world, yet already dreaming of wealth, business, and opportunity. A boy who delivered newspapers at dawn, sold soda bottles for pennies, and read stock market reports as if they were comic books. Imagine that same boy growing into one of the greatest financial minds in history. A man whose wisdom moves markets, whose decisions shape industries, and whose name becomes synonymous with discipline, patience, and extraordinary success. This is the story of Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha. A man who proves that brilliance is not about luck or privilege, but about clarity, consistency, and a lifetime of learning. Warren Edward Buffett was born on August 30, 1930, in Omaha, Nebraska, into a family that valued hard work and financial awareness. From the earliest days of his childhood, Buffett displayed a uniquely sharp business instinct. At just 6 years old, he purchased 6 packs of Coca-Cola for 25 cents and sold the bottles individually for a profit. He ran a paper route, kept meticulous financial records, and by the age of 11, he made his first investment, 3 shares of Citi Service Preferred, an experience that taught him the importance of long-term thinking after he sold too early and missed out on significant gains. Buffett's father, Howard Buffett, a stockbroker and later a U.S. congressman, provided him with access to financial books and broker reports, nurturing his early passion for investing. Buffett's obsession with business deepened as he grew older. He studied at the Wharton School of the University of Pennsylvania before transferring to the University of Nebraska, where he graduated at just 19. His life changed permanently when he read The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. Buffett later attended Columbia Business School specifically to learn from Graham, whose value investing philosophy became the cornerstone of Buffett's approach. Buy undervalued companies with strong fundamentals, hold them patiently, and let intrinsic value grow over time. After working briefly on Wall Street, Buffett returned to Omaha and began managing Buffett Partnership Limited in 1956. His disciplined, analytical strategy delivered extraordinary returns, eventually allowing him to take control of Berkshire Hathaway, a struggling textile company, in 1965. Although textiles were declining, Buffett transformed Berkshire into one of the most powerful and diversified holding companies on the planet. Over the decades, Berkshire acquired or invested in legendary companies like Geico, Coca-Cola, American Express, See's Candies, BNSF Railway, Dairy Queen, and Apple. Buffett's genius lay not only in identifying great businesses but in trusting exceptional managers and fostering a culture of long-term value creation. Known worldwide as the Oracle of Omaha, Buffett became a symbol of financial wisdom and discipline. Despite becoming one of the wealthiest individuals on earth, he remained remarkably humble, living in the same house he bought in 1958, eating simple meals, and avoiding extravagant displays of wealth. His annual letters to Berkshire shareholders became essential reading for investors, offering timeless lessons on rational thinking, risk management, and emotional control. Buffett emphasized that success in investing doesn't require extreme intelligence, but rather emotional stability, patience, and the willingness to avoid shortcuts. Buffett is also one of the most generous philanthropists in history. In 2006, he pledged to give away more than 99% of his wealth, primarily through the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. He co-founded the Giving Pledge with Bill Gates, encouraging billionaires worldwide to donate a majority of their wealth to humanitarian causes. Buffett's legacy grew not only in the world of investing but in global philanthropy, reflecting his belief that true success lies in improving the lives of others. Today, Warren Buffett stands as one of the greatest investors of all time, a man whose life embodies the power of compounding, discipline, and long-term vision. His simple but profound principles continue to guide millions of investors, entrepreneurs, and thinkers across the world. Buffett once said, "Someone is sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago." His entire life has been an example of planting seeds, of wisdom, opportunity, and generosity that continue to grow long after. Warren Buffett's story is more than a tale of financial triumph. It is a reminder that greatness is built slowly, thoughtfully, and with unwavering conviction. His journey, from a curious boy selling soda bottles to one of the most respected figures in global finance, shows us that success is not about speed, but direction. Not about luck, but preparation. and not about wealth but purpose. As we reflect on his extraordinary life, we are reminded that the path to excellence is open to anyone willing to learn, stay patient, and stay true to their principles. Warren Buffett teaches us that the most powerful investment we can make is in ourselves, and that with discipline, humility, and vision, we can build a legacy that lasts far beyond our lifetime.